The Hunter 350 is one of the most affordable Royal Enfields that you can buy. So inspired by the BMW Toolkit video, this time we are going to check if RE has done any cost cutting here. To begin with, we have this 6mm Allen key for the hex bolts on the motorcycle. Next we have this C-type hook spanner to adjust the suspension preload. RE has smartly integrated the 8mm and 12mm spanner slots on the other end of the C spanner, which makes it multi-purpose. The same has been done with the 24mm ring spanner in the toolkit that is made for the axle nut. That has got a 14mm spanner slot on the other end. We also get an extension bar to build that torque across these tools. Of course, we also get a screwdriver with the Phillips head as well as the flat head. The open end spanners also include 10mm and 12mm along with 17 and 13mm set. RE has also included the 16mm spark plug tool whose other end is 8mm. The fuse puller tool completes the toolkit, which makes it absolutely impressive with the proper toolkit pouch the complete set comes in. So that's it for this video and I hope you guys have liked it.